Folks, I want to talk about how to approach 2.1b and 2.1c with this function notation. Part of it is just how they have the problem laid out that can be confusing to people. First thing you're going to notice is there's 4 different problems here. There's 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is for 2.1b. And they want you to do two parts. They want you to find g of 1 plus g of 2, and then they want you to find g of 1 plus 2. So for example, this first one here is 3a and 3b. So for 3a and 3b, they want you to use number 3 here, and then you're going to go back and do a and b right here. Then what you're seeing is they're going to switch it around, and for the next one, they want you to do 4a and b. So 4a and b is this particular problem, and then you're going to see the next one is 5a and b, so now you're going to switch over to this equation. And then the last one, they want you to switch over and do 6a and b, so you're going to look at this one. So you're really doing numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6 twice. Now, let me just walk through 3a and 3b with you if you're struggling on it. So, for example, to do 3a, what I would first do is they want you to find g of 1, and then they want you to add to it g of 2. This is for number 3, so I'm looking at this particular equation. So to find g of 1, I'm going to put 1 in for x, which means I'm going to do 4 times 1, which is 4. Now to find g of 2, I'm going to put 2 in for x here, which is going to be 4 times 2, which is 8. And what they wanted me to do is add them together. So I add up those two answers, and that's going to give me 12. So that's g of 1 plus g of 2. Now they're switching gears and saying, okay, for part B, find g of 1 plus 2. Well, under order of operations, I can do 1 plus 2 combined. So really, what they want me to find is g of 3. That's all they're really asking. So g of 1 plus 2 is really just g of 3. Well, how do you do that? Well, you're going to take the 3, you're going to pop it in there, and you're going to have the 4 times 3 and get your answer of 12. So that's how you approach 2.1b. Now you're going to want to do that for 4, 5, and 6.